Hello from Barcelona, the experience capital of Europe. Today I am pleased to show you the top product premieres from Panasonic. I would start by showing you the world's smallest, lightest and especially most quiet 20,000 lumen projector, the Panasonic PT-MZ20K. This LCD projector is ideal for blended learning and hybrid business meetings as it offers high cost performance and impressive image quality in well-lit rooms. With a compact, easy-to-handle 22-kilogram chassis and quiet operation as little as 36 decibel, the projector blends unobtrusively into each room, minimizing distractions. Panasonic's exclusive time-saving technologies and workflow improvements, such as the NFC function, reduce installation complexity, effort and cost, making the PT-MZ20K a smart choice for value-conscious customers. The PT-MZ20K series will be available in December 2022.